Hey, it's Sam here from kitchengadgetsclub.com and also the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Well, today I've got a treat for you, and what it is I'm showing you how to steam roast potatoes. I know, quite a mouthful that, isn't it? So we're going to be using the steam roast setting in the 15-in-1 for today's daily recipe in our 30 days for teaching you how to use the Ninja Foodi. So these roast potatoes time and temps come from our multi-cooker cooking guide, which you can pre-order now. It's cheap as chips as well, you'd be amazed by the price. And you can find all our books over at kitchengadgetsclub.com/books. But these are brilliant for learning the time and temps for cooking all of your foods in your multi-cooker. So, shall we get started? So, I've got some red potatoes out. I love red potatoes. They make lovely chips in the air fryer, roast potatoes, cube potatoes, whichever one you're into, you can do it in it. So, I've just got a few here just so that I can show you what they're like. And a mixing bowl is always very handy because then you can mix the potatoes with the oils and seasonings prior to putting them in the 15-in-1. So, something else to note. I'm getting this question quite a lot at the moment as I'm going through the 30 days of the 15-in-1. I'm getting people that have got the 11-in-1, people that have got the Speedy, and they're saying to me, well, what do I do because I don't have a steam roast setting? Well, for Speedy users, you can use steam bake or steam air fry, and the same goes for 11-in-1. Use your steam air fry button and it's perfect for this as well. It's just nice that you've got all these different buttons, and of course the higher the number on the Ninja Foodi, the more functions you've got. For example, the 11-in-1 obviously doesn't have the bread feature and the roast, but you've got air fry and bake, which is really good as well. I've just been travelling with my Ninja Speedy, and of course that's got Ninja, that's another Ninja, and that's a smaller cooking pot than the 15-in-1, but it's brilliant on the steam bake and the steam air fry. So we're going to get started. We're going to peel the potatoes first, chop them up, get them mixed in, and then get them into the cooking pot. So, like I said, start by peeling your potatoes. Oh, red potatoes, you are the best. I just love you. When you use the starchy potatoes, you always find that your hand slips when you're peeling, but these, oh, just look at them. Look at how good that is. Right. First potato done, now rinse and repeat for the others. And there you have it, there's the potatoes all done. Ready now to be chopped in half, and I'm going to put the peelings to one side because potato peelings in the air fryer are absolutely delicious. Peeling done. Now that has to be the most annoying long-term task. A lot of my friends and a lot of our readers say, oh, the one thing they hate the most is doing the prep on the potatoes. I'm sure what they really mean is peeling. But we're done. So let's slice them up and get them mixed with some oil. So what size roast potatoes do you like? Now that's the question. I think that's my preferred size, but if the potato is really big, like this one, then you could go half again. And then same again on that one. Just bear in mind that the bigger they are, the longer the cook time is going to be. So I'm just going to do some of varying sizes so you can see the difference once they're cooked. So of course this one's another really big one. So there you have them there of various sizes, and now they're ready to go in the jug. So let's get the jug, make it centre stage as you would say. Add in your potatoes. Oh, missed a little bit of peeling there, that'd annoy me otherwise. The potatoes are all in. Right, we want a good drizzle with some extra virgin olive oil. You can use olive oil like we do. We always use extra virgin olive oil, but duck fat and goose fat can also be used with roast potatoes in your cooking pot. They are absolutely delicious when you use those. So depending on what you're having and what's easiest for you. So we're adding in the oil. We're adding salt. Let's add lots of salt because roast potatoes are lovely with the salt, aren't they? Then let's add some pepper. I've got some fresh parsley here. It gives it such a lovely colour, doesn't it? And then because it's so nice with roast potatoes, let's add in some thyme. And that's all your main ingredients in. We're now going to give it a quick mix with our hands and we can get the cooking pot out. Oh, so look at those beauties, don't they look amazing? So, I'm off to wash my hands, get the cooking pot out, and we can get the air fry basket out and we can start cooking our roasties. So we've got the cooking pot out. So as you can see, there's the air fry basket there. So you want to start by adding some water, liquid I should say, into the bottom of the cooking pot. You could use water, you could use vegetable stock if you prefer, it's totally up to you. And you're looking for 1.5 cups, which is about 360 ml. So if you want to add that in first, then pop in your air fry basket and then pop in your potatoes and then any of the liquid at the bottom you can add that too, and make sure that they're all well coated, and preferably having them on a single layer when it's roast potatoes, because otherwise the ones underneath won't get as cooked. And then pop the lid down. So let's get roasting those potatoes, and we're going to use this, and this says steam roast 180 Celsius, that's 360 Fahrenheit, and a cooking time of 25 minutes, and then press start. When you first got a multi-cooker, it's so hard understanding the times and temps and getting the food spot on and cooked perfectly. That's why we've made for you the multi-cooker cooking guide. It features all the main functions of the multi-cooker, from dehydrate to grill to steam roast to steam air fry, pressure cooking, and of course simple everyday air frying. It's perfect for lots of different types of multi-cookers, from Instant Pot users to Ninja Foodi users, Ninja Speedy, air fryer. Even if you've got a flex straw, it's just perfect for so many of them. You'll find the link below in the description and you can pre-order it now. And now let's get back to the video. So we've just got 5 minutes left, so I'm going to show you what the roast potatoes are like at this point. Oh, and look at those, don't they look fantastic already? Have we got a fork tender? Yes, I can fit the fork really well into these, like you see there. So now, just recommend moving them about a bit so you don't just end up with them brown in one area or crispy in one area. And you can make sure none are sticking to the basket while you're at it. And if you look, they're perfect. So I'm just going to put them on for the last 5 minutes. And we've beeped. So, shall I show you the end result of these roast potatoes using the time and temp guide? Because this is using the exact time and temp that's in here. So do you think I got it right with roast potatoes, or did I get it wrong? Now that's the question. Shall we take a look? Look at those beauties! The roast potatoes look amazing! You can tell we've done them a few times in here, can't you, looking at those? I think they look fab. Of course, if you want them more crispy, you can add more time, but that's the thing, you know, we've all got a different level of doneness, but I love these. Oh, look at that one. If you think that's one of the bigger ones as well, so that I can show you the difference between them all. So, better get those dished up, better I? And last but not least, but oh yes, look at those for roast potatoes. Don't they look fantastic? I'm so in love. Oh, look at those. Don't they look fab? I'm going to wait until they cool down a bit before I tuck in there, but oh, look at the colour on those. Don't they look brilliant? Yay! So that is just how simple it is. Steam roast potatoes. When I got into air frying, you would have to cook them on two different temperatures to be able to get them to the same level of fluffiness, whilst with the steam roast, they're cooking in the middle and on the outside at the same time, so it's more leaving it to it, and I do love the steam roast feature. Thanks so much for watching our YouTube video. It feels so amazing that you've stuck around to the end. And of course, that must mean that you like our videos. So why not also follow us on social media? You can find us at the Kitchen Gadgets Club on Facebook and on Pinterest, TikTok. We're Kitchen Gadgets Club. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos like this one. And you can also find us at kitchengadgetsclub.com, where we have a membership that shares brand new kitchen gadget recipes every week. And we also have lots of great ideas, resources, tips and tricks. And we are an ovenless kitchen, so we teach you exclusively how to cook with kitchen gadgets. And a ciao for now.